Hi everybody, I'm RobRabon, and this is a video that I'm going to try to upload before SEMA. It's Tuesday, October 24th, around 5:16 p.m. I would have been up here earlier, but I was waiting on some packages from UPS. Pretty much anything that I was really waiting for didn't show up. So here's the deal. Car's back together. It's nice. I'm really happy with how the Autoflex turned out, but I'm an idiot because I'm an idiot. I ordered some more things, like the stuff that's in this box. It's not all of it. Some of it's not here yet. There were some things, some pieces of what's in that box that were back ordered, and they're not here. So faced with the dilemma of, do I go ahead and just start now, being that it's Tuesday, and if the stuff doesn't show up in time, then I have to put all the factory stuff back on, because it's kind of a big process. I can bag this car in about a day, but it's like I said, some things are missing. They're not there. I'd like to have Friday to just relax, and I don't think that's gonna happen, but we'll see. Couldn't just leave well enough alone. This is what got me in this mess in the first place. It's never being satisfied. Let's deal with it again. So let's see what we got. Knife, knife, knife. Knife, knife, knife. Knife, knife, knife. Knife, knife. Air compressor. Stickers. Bellows and the shocks. Thank God for shocks. I was worried he didn't send shocks. Our new bi-air compressor. Filters. Cardboard. Should be all our management. More paperwork that we don't need. We don't need instructions, we're men. E2. Manifold, controller. Hopefully this is the air line, so I can at least run lines and power. Sure enough, lines and power. Oh, thank God. We have enough to where we can get started. New line cutter. When I first bought my kit, my last kit, it didn't come with one of these. It took me a while to acquire one. So let's take this car that we literally just finished and completely and totally take it apart. Since I'm a dumbass, forgot to open up this box. This should be our front struts. More paperwork that we don't need. One thing that didn't come in was tank, because my good buddy Jer Bear had a tank laying around. So it's got these whips. I think the only thing I'm going to be missing is some plugs for the tank. Alright, nothing to it but to do it. you don't have an impact wrench that'll fit back there, take your wrench and impact it with a hammer. Get it? Secret squirrel thing that's going on. Look at this tube. Got this from my buddy Brandon. My buddy Brandon fucking, I don't really know how to say Brandon's last name. I've never asked him. So Brandon, if I'm saying your last name wrong, I'm really sorry. But anyway, he's really good at graphic design, and he prints out vinyl like this. Oh, I missed you, Sharky. I missed you. Alright, I'm starting to get really excited. It's 8:43 and I'm pretty beat. It's kind of early, but I think I'm tired because I got so stressed out earlier because things weren't showing up, but now it looks like they're going to show up tomorrow. So I feel a lot better about that, but I'm still going to be stuck tomorrow waiting for things. Now, from this point, you have to actually take the sway bar down because you'll never get this bolt out. And once you take the sway bar end links and the shocks off, you can actually drop the rear axle low enough to where the springs will just pull right out on most cars. It's always a good idea to take your nut and bolt and kind of put those together. That way, if you do lose them, you lose them together, and it's a little bit easier to find. Hear all that noise? That's the springs screaming in agony because they know that they're about to get ripped out and replaced by something far superior. Alright, then you want to take a little bit of tension off your axle, like by pushing it back up with the jack, just so you don't strain your drive shaft too much, and your upper control arm and lower control arms, all pretty much everything that's left. It's Wednesday around 9:45. UPS came early, so I can take all this to the garage and actually get some work done. And I'm gonna go to Wawa and get a Sizzly too. Today's gonna be a good day. I gotta let Butters out. Butters, get through. Come on, let's go outside. Let's go outside, buddy. Not that door. Come on, let's go out back. Come on, go. Go get the squirrels, go get them. Who needs a truck when you got a Fox body? I just realized that I can't use my rear view mirror now. And hopefully that didn't break. I just had to put it in roadhead mode and then it all slid in. Get it? It all slid in, like in roadhead mode. I made it to the garage. Went to Wawa. I got myself a Sizzly. Here's my Sizzly that I'm gonna eat. Also, I got a coffee. And it sucks because this car doesn't have cup holders, but I have an idea about how to make one, so I'm gonna do a how-to video on how to make a Fox body cup holder. I'm gonna do that when I get back, probably. I guess I should get this stuff out of here. Alright, if you haven't guessed or you didn't hear it before, these are some wheels. And a new RTR splitter because mine is anybody that's been following the car for a while knows that I've had these RTR wheels forever. I think I got these back in, I guess it was May of 2011. I only replaced one of them because I curbed it ridiculously bad. I've had the other 3 for that entire time, and the one that I've replaced, that was back in like 2013. These wheels have always been good to me. They've been strong. I've actually hit a curb in Jersey and that didn't blow the tire off somehow, but I curbed those wheels pretty bad and it didn't leave me stranded. So when I was looking at new wheels, I thought I would go with RTRs again. These tires are pretty new, so maybe I'll just burn those off in some epic burnout at some point in time. Let's check out these new ones. Oh, Nitto Envos. Read a lot of good things about this tire over the years, so I figured I would try it out. These are a lot meatier than anything that's actually been on the car, except for those drag radials. Those are pretty meaty. But here's the new wheel. Oh man, that's gonna be sexy. Oh, it's gonna be really sexy. This is what a brand new RTR splitter front fascia combo looks like. It's been a while since I've seen this. I've had mine since 2013, so I was overdue for cracking mine to pieces. Since I don't have any coils on the car, maybe I'll actually try to throw these on, see how it goes. Pin hard bar is still attached, so hopefully that kind of centers the axle to where it needs to be when we're aired out. I don't think I ever adjusted it when I put coils on it. I don't know. Looks like you're gonna hit. I'll leave a little bit extra off of the inside of the flare. Maybe. Really should have did 275s. What was I thinking? Alright, you can see that it's really tight. Tight's good though, right? It's might just be a little too tight though. Really don't want to break these flares, obviously. Nobody makes them. But I think, I don't know, maybe I'll put the other wheel on, see what happens. 275s would have squeezed right in. Probably should have just did that. But no, I wanted to go wider. I wanted traction. Ugh, what a dumbass. They look good though. They look real good. Alright, I'm gonna try it with the other wheel on in case it's kind of pitching it to one side. Alright, this is going to be so goddamn close. I really think I'm going to be sitting like in the fender flares. Really don't want to crack one like the day before I leave. Jesus Christ. Really should have did 275s. I don't know what I was thinking. 275s would have been fine. I'm just gonna keep going, see what happens. Here we're tucking there. Sorry if I'm overexposing. Here we're hitting. I'll be able to shave a little bit off the inside of these. I hate doing that, but you really take a lot of the strength out when you do that. But if I can get an extra, I mean that's like, it's almost nothing. I can get an extra millimeter out of it. This thing should tuck really nice. Another millimeter or two. Whatever. I don't speak metric.